Happy Sunday. Got a turkey in the oven. Oh, the dogs? Were the dogs going crazy? That's so funny if they were.
One of the dogs looked for turkey.
By the way, we made a turkey for dinner. That looks incredible. James Corden. I don't hate that, except for that guy's kind of a tool. I honestly think I'm better looking than that guy anyways, so thanks, Joe. I'm better looking than that guy, right?
Oh, for sure.
Bree says I'm better looking than James Corden. Aw, they said I'm better than him. Yeah, thank you. That's empty. But we're gonna make a viral cake, I think. It's apple, egg, cocoa powder, I think baking powder, and maybe a little bit of sugar, like a natural sugar. So I wanna make a cake. Like, this is good. Look at this turkey. So we're just letting it chill. I've cooked it. It was in there for 3 hours. Rosemary, thyme, salt, pepper. Yeah, delicious. This turkey's gonna be really good. I got it on clearance. Like I was doing like an online grocery order, and they're like, flash sale, do you want this? I think you got this for 30 cents a pound. It's a 14-pound turkey. Do the math on that. I think I paid like $6. Alex, I'm a PC gamer. PC. By the way, new tattoo today. Oh, a couple of new ones. That one, that one, that one. This is kind of a good tip too if you're ever gonna peel potatoes. Take a paper bag like this. And just rip it open like that. Peel the sides out. Now, hold it back. Peel your potatoes right into this. It can go right in the trash. This is perfect. 9:38 in the morning, Mundo. Nice. Where are you at? It's 6:42 p.m. where I'm at. Sunday. That helps. I guess there's really only like one day difference in the world, so if I tell you it's before you, you know exactly what time it is. I've been seeing this cake kind of going viral where it's an apple and you blend it. You add cocoa powder, 1 egg, I think it's baking soda, and a little bit of like, I don't know, cane sugar. So I bought some stuff at Trader Joe's the other day to make this. And I mean, if it's a cake made out of apple with some like natural sugar and just a little baking powder, sounds pretty good. I think we're gonna make it live. It shouldn't take long. I think it only bakes for like 15 minutes. So yeah, just gonna get some mashed potatoes here going. But yeah, Chevy, I'm good. Oh, Chevy, the mac and cheese bites, they were epic. They were so good. I actually gave them the leftovers. I think I made like 6 or 9 of them, and I gave, I think 3 or 4 of them to my neighbors, and they literally text me like, did you make a video? I'm like, yeah, I made a video, and they were like, so good. So super good. That's actually one of the benefits my neighbors get. Like I made lasagna live a week or so ago, and I dropped it off to like 3 of my neighbors. I think it was -3 out. I was running lasagna to all my neighbors, and they just loved it. So if you're new to my channel, I make food, a lot of food stuff. Consider subscribing or even like this. I think it helps me out. You know what, Alec, if you go to my channel and you hit, I think it's notifications, it'll tell you when I go live. I think it'll send you an email or even like a like an alert in your YouTube app if you have the YouTube app. But that's the best I can do. I can't email everybody. I'm sorry. Pastrami? Yeah. I love deli meat. I really do. Actually, Babe likes deli meat.
I love deli meat.
She loves deli meat. One more potato to go. Long format beef stroganoff video on my channel. So good. I posted it in like my neighborhood community thing. Somebody made it tonight and commented. They were like, this is epic. And it's super cold where I live. So it's really just good, like hearty meal. But Like I said, I have a beef stroganoff video. All right, peeled up all of our potatoes, and we get these cut up. We'll start making our mashed potatoes. And look, that bag hack, just roll it up, throw it away. Babe can confirm, turkey smells amazing.
Smells utterly amazing.
Amazing. All right, so I'm gonna cut up these potatoes. We'll get it in some boiling water. I'm gonna salt the water too, and we're gonna start it off cold. So, good night for peeling veggies. Heck yeah, Claudia. Jay's talking about Diddy parties. Never been invited to a Diddy party, Jay. And you have to say allegedly too, I believe. Alec, I have not, but again, if I ever played it, we could play it. I just don't play Fortnite. I was at a friend's house and they had like a tattoo party. It's kind of fun. All right, let's do this viral cake. I feel like that's what we need to do because I got everything else going on. Babe, do you know what the oven setting is for that thing? It's okay if you don't.
I do.
All right, we're gonna make this cake that I've seen that's gone viral. It's an apple, an egg, cocoa powder, baking soda, and I believe a little bit of cane sugar. And we have all these things, so we're gonna make it right now. Let me know in the comments if you've seen what I'm talking about. Just going from memory here. I think that's it. And it's supposed to be like chocolate cake. I don't know if it's gonna be good. I saw it the other day and I was like, no way. Can't make cake out of an apple and an egg. I feel like it's one of those, not gonna happen. But we're gonna try it. I don't remember what to set the oven to when I saw this video. Claudia, this is a, I don't know, red one. Hang on, I just put the sticker somewhere. Cosmic Crisp. I'm not lying. That's what it says. Cosmic Crisp.
It says 350 degrees.
350 degrees.
30 minutes.
30 minutes. So we're gonna do it. Yeah. Nausea. Baking powder. Clearly. I said baking soda. I don't know. But yeah. I don't think this is gonna make cake. I got a little food processor here. Apple. I'm just cutting it down because I don't want it to get all plugged up in there. It already looks. We'll eat that one. Just grab an egg. That apple is so good. Okay. We're doing it. 1 egg, apples. No smoke and mirrors here. This is legit. Okay, I think it's about a hefty tablespoon. Cosmic Crisp. Yeah, Claudia, that's exactly what it was. It's so good. Hey, from Chile. Blanca. I think you've been in here before. I appreciate you coming back. I'm good. How are you? And Claudia, favorite. Yep. Hey, from Australia. God, it's got to be what, like next Friday in Australia? So this is unsweetened cocoa, just cocoa powder. Super heavy. I think I saw in the video. Like a heavy tablespoon. Boom, bust that in there. Teaspoon of baking powder. So I'm gonna do an educated guess like that, teaspoon. I feel like that's it. So I got this coconut sugar. I don't know how much to put in here for this cake, but hey, sorry, Bianca, cool. Monday afternoon, yeah, Australia. And hey, I appreciate you too. Good to see you as well. So we got this coconut sugar here. I think I'm gonna do like a tablespoon. Boom, okay. Should be plenty. With the cocoa powder and the sweetness of the apple, should be 100% good. Gotta figure this guy out. So this is supposed to look like cake batter when we're done. And like I said, we're gonna bake it. We're gonna bake it live, so. The other way. All right. Tell me right now in the comments if you think this is gonna look like cake batter. There's no way this is gonna work. I'm gonna bake these in these little ramekins because if this works like cake, so I'm gonna butter these so I don't want this to stick. All right, Buttering some ramekins here. I mean, it kind of looks like cake batter. That's insane. All right, hold on. I'm gonna pulse it. Actually, hang on one second. Babe, smell this. Does that not smell like cake batter?
It actually does.
This legitimately smells like chocolate cake. I'm not lying. Brie will tell you. I think we're gonna have a cake here. Wow. Trust me, I was skeptical. I'm still skeptical. It smells like chocolate cake batter. We gotta switch gears. Let's carve up a little bit of turkey really quick. Oh, it's perfect. I've had this sitting for about 30 minutes. Just relaxing away. I love it. We got cake going, we got turkey going, we got mashed potatoes going. It's crazy. Not even what this video is about. This is insane. So we got some ramekins here. I'm just skeptical. So 350 degrees. Claudia, this is a hard seltzer from Costco. Let's check on these cakes. Huh. Can you see those? Those literally look like cakes. That's insane. I'll be right back. Had to reload. Sorry, I missed a bunch of stuff here.
It says we were witnessing such a funny scenario unfolding. Come back, doggy.
Oh, the dogs? Were the dogs going crazy? That's so funny if they were.
Oh, uh-oh. Did one of the dogs look the turkey?
Najwa, were one of the dogs on the turkey? Please tell me now if they were.
Oh my god.
Which one, Chevy? The tan one? Oh my god.
Was it the big dude or the golden retriever?
That's brutal. That's so funny. The big floof one. The dark one. Okay.
Achilles?
Okay. Hang on. I'm going to point out the big one. Was it this one? Let's call that one yellow. And let's call the guilty guy. Oh, there's the guilty guy probably. Or was it this one? Achilles, were you licking the turkey? Do you look guilty? Are you guilty? Oh man, I don't even know what to do. It was like the front. I feel like there was like a bite. Shh. I feel like he ruined my dinner.
Rinse it off in the sink?
Rinse it. Yeah, should we rinse the turkey? Yeah, Chevy put not the golden. Oh my gosh, the Heidi one. Yeah, the one that looked super guilty. I'm gonna have to watch this video back for sure.
Oh yeah, for sure.
What a turd. Oh my gosh. Licking the top twice and then he got down. Ah. Blanca said he really enjoyed it. Like I don't even want to eat like the front half of this now. That's actually pretty funny to have happen on live. Life, that would have been insane. Said definitely thought it was gonna be on the floor. But these cakes, look at those. It's just like doggy kisses. Yeah, doggy kisses on your dinner. Yeah, the one Henry. We're making like we got a lot of stuff going on. We got dogs licking turkeys. Little turd. Taylor Swift's boyfriend caught a ball. Little turd. Chevy, I haven't. I've wanted to because I feel like that's one of those cool regional things. Goldbelly seems amazing. I just hate the idea of like frozen stuff coming to the house, but I'm sure it's epic. I should actually look that up. I should actually reach out to them and have Goldbelly send me some stuff, and we should do Goldbelly on a live. That would be amazing. Like, reach out to Goldbelly, not even for like money. I don't even care. It would just be cool to have Goldbelly like send some stuff that we could make, because I feel like you guys would love that. I would love it for sure. Not what I meant to do. It literally smells like cake. I mean, look at that. That's chocolate cake, right? I am still skeptical. Gotta try this really quick. I mean, there it is. That's like cake texture. Look at that. That looks like cake. No. You get all the apple, which is not bad. But no, this isn't. It's good. But this viral, like, oh, this is chocolate cake. You can eat cake every day. No. I'm literally, even at that last bite, I'm still getting like the apple, you know, like the crunch in your back teeth. It's not bad. But it definitely doesn't taste like cake. I don't know. This is a bummer. I wanted it to be so much better than it is. Like, I get it. But anything you see like on these viral videos that makes this, it's not as good as you think. It's not bad. My face, Mike's not bad. It's not great. Not great. Everybody, thank you for hanging out. I'm sorry this is a big failure. And it was. If you see this, come back to this video and just comment if you see this. And everybody's like, oh, it's so good. It's not. We literally made it the exact same way. 3 out of 10 at best. It's not bad. It's just not what you think it would be. Let's have Bree try it. Honest reaction.
Does not taste like cake.
Apple viral cake thing, it's a bust. But hey, thank you for hanging out, everybody. Love you guys. I'll probably go live possibly Friday. I'm doing a beer collaboration with a local brewery. We're doing a beer after my channel, so maybe turn on the notifications. I'm gonna go live on Friday. Sorry for Steve. He's barking like a turd. But hey, everybody, I appreciate you. Love you all. Have a good Sunday night.
FKC. They're gonna win.
Go Bills. Have a good night, everybody. Thank you.